Hello, good afternoon, guys. Actively welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys on how to create a simple business logo using Canva. So, here's the kind of logo we are going to create. Just look at the way this logo is. You can see the U is being cut. The U is being cut into sided. So, we are going to try something like this. We are going to do something like this using Canva. So, firstly, let's go to our Canva app. Click on logo. You have the shape for logo creation. This time around, we are not using any templates to create. We are starting the design from scratch. You design from scratch using Canva. You take the background color and everything from scratch. Then we create it. So first thing to do after the app has opened and you have a good internet connection, so you have to click on the elements bar. Okay, let's check it. Click on elements. You can see it has shown some elements here, so I don't want to use anything here. That is just showing me some designs here, and I don't want any design because I'm creating mine from scratch. I don't need any idea to use or whatever. So you just click here, then click on, just search for green background. Any green background available, you can try it, because this tutorial video is going to be the most shortest tutorial video ever I've ever made, so we have to be snappy. So here is the background color. You can use something like this. So we have this background color here, so you put it in your background. What next? Then you have to bring a shape to use, because as you can see in the other sample, we have a shape that shows the logo with the letter U. So I'll have the shape here. So here you can see I have the shape, a circle shape here. What next again? Yeah, I'll apply the color, white color to it. So let me show you guys so that you can see we are progressing. So you can see now we are progressing. What next? Just bring the letter U. You can even create for letter S or any letter you wish. Okay, let's try for letter S so that it will look different. It will not be exactly like the other one. So we have something like this. We are creating for letter S. So we have this letter S like this. What next? Just apply the color. Which color do you want to use? So you are going to apply the same color with the background color. You can see, you can apply something like this, or you use the dark color, but I think the light one will be much better to be. Okay, you use the light background, so you have something like this. You can see we are progressing. You can either change the font if you wish. There is a way to change the font, though I'm not going to change the font. Yeah? I think this font is better. You can change font. Here is where you can change fonts to any font of your size, like any font you feel like using. You can change the font from here. Yeah, I'm coming. My phone is in silent, so you can change the font to any font you wish to change here. Then you can wait. As you can see, we are progressing. It has shown we are progressing. So I think we can just move this back. Okay, let's have something like this. Let me move this back so that will be at the back. Then we can reduce this size so that it will match the shape size. It will be exactly like the shape size. Okay, so I have something like this. Okay, you can centralize it also, make it to be at the center of the shape if you wish, something like that, or by using this, it is been centered. So what next are you going to do is to apply a shape that will change the outlook of the letter S to something else. How do you do that? It's very simple. You just have a shape something like this, or any shape you feel like using that will give you the best output of what you want. You can try it. So I want to have something like, how do I change this letter S to be something? Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Let me do something like this. Don't know if this one will be okay or it will be matured. So you can just apply the color white color here. You can see we have changed to how to look of the shape, but I don't want to use it like this, so I have to reduce it. Then we can do something like this. Okay, I think this it will be more better. Okay, let's look at the way we change the shape to another kind of shape. So you can even change the font to any font you wish to use. Okay, you have some separate fonts. You can use this achieve, something like this. This one is even more perfect. Yeah, this one I love this. You can also try this, something like this, or even include the wideness of the shape. Anyway, just whatever way you want to use it, like depending on the kind of font you are using or whatever you are using, you can do it. What next again? Just try to write up at the down, and that is all. Okay, let's say Sonic. I'm using something like Sonic Sub. I have something like this as Sonic Sub. Let me say is a brand logo for a business website. So I'll just use Sonic Sub like this. So I'll just make it like this, and Tagam, I'm done with my design. That is all. I don't have to waste much time again, or I will just use the same photo. You can see Canva Sans. Okay, there's this shape with Canva Sans. Okay, it look different, so you don't need to change the shape. Just leave it like this. And also, if you can just increase this, I think this one is not that perfect, so you can just increase it a little bit, and this one a little bit, something like this, something like this. But this one is too much, so you have to reduce it again, something like this. I think it's more perfect this way. So that is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial video. Okay, if you want to download, you can just click here and select the format you want to download. We have three ways of downloading. We have the JPG, PNG, and JPEG. These are the three ways you can download, so you can see them. We have JPG, PNG, PDF, any way you want to download it. For JPG PNG, you have to click this transparent. That is when you are using a pro account, and you have a design being created and saved to your phone media device. So that is all, and see you in my next tutorial video.